Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern King and Queen County, northwestern King William County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:27 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Manquin, or 10 miles southwest of St. Stephen's Church, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bougainville around 6:45 p.m. Newtown around 7 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Enfield, Orenton, Globe, Pollard's Corner, Turpin, Upshaw, Etna Mills, Green Fork, and Perth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield.